This video will show you how to fix your Rainbow Six Siege account from logging into a different account. So if you're trying to play Rainbow Six Siege but it says your game is linked to another Ubisoft account, then this usually happens when your Steam or Epic Games or console account is linked to this wrong Ubisoft account. Maybe an old one that you forget all about. So what you need to do is go to ubisoft.com, and after that is log in and visit your account settings. After you've clicked on your account settings, is go to your linked accounts, then check with platforms that are connected. If the wrong account is linked, you can just unlink and relink right away. Ubisoft only allows one account per platform, and unlinking doesn't always reset the reconnection. You'll need to contact your Ubisoft support directly and explain your situation and ask them to unlink the platform or transfer ownership if it is possible. Make sure to give them details like your correct Ubisoft username, the wrong one if you know or remember, your platform ID, your Steam, PS, or Xbox, and also your proof of purchase if they needed it.